Come on, buddy. Come on. Hey, buddy. Hey. All right, let's go. Hi, everyone. Well, we're back again up here in Haines, in between storms. I'm taking the dog out for a walk. This is Hank. And we're supposed to have another storm come in tomorrow. Sounds like 10 to 17 inches, Lisa's telling me. So we'll take a little respite when we can get it. Anyway, taking a walk here along the Chilkat Beaches area of the Upper Lynn Canal, or the Chilkat River and the Upper Lynn Canal meet. Really pretty area, really vibrant area in the springtime. We get it's a flyway for all of the migratory birds, so we get all sorts of waterfowl in here, the shorebirds, different hawks, all the songbirds. It becomes very vibrant in the springtime, but not so much now. Just a little cold. We're at 5 degrees with a little stiff breeze today. So anyway, it's kind of one of the things I got to remind myself is I can't truly appreciate the springtime and the summer and the warmth until I truly experience the cold and dark of the winter. Anyhow, hey, and one other thing, it was really enjoyed reading all the comments from a lot of beautiful places in the world. We had comments from Georgia, Tennessee, Massachusetts, Terrace, British Columbia, and other areas of Canada. Had I think Tennessee, if I didn't mention that one, and all the way to Tasmania, friends down there, and family in Oklahoma City. So, yeah, thanks for commenting, and keep them coming. It's really nice to hear from from everyone from different areas of the world, really pretty areas. Anyway, we'll talk to you all soon. Have a great day.